Good morning, my dear students. Today we're going to correct the homework. Exercise 1. Underline the verb in each sentence below and then write whether it is transitive or intransitive. If it is transitive, circle the object. Kareem finally got his license. Got is a transitive verb. License is the object. The hawk devoured the dead sparrow. Devoured. Sparrow is the object. It is transitive. The couple strolled along the beach. Strolled, intransitive. The customer complained to the director. Complained, intransitive. The bunny was scurrying across the meadow. Was scurrying, intransitive. Nadine felt dizzy in the morning. Felt, intransitive. The brave Lebanese soldiers defended the military barracks. Defended is the transitive verb and the object is barracks. Clear crystal water has gushed from the rock. Has gushed, intransitive. The injured athlete groaned with pain. Groaned, intransitive. Jack looks sick today. Looks, intransitive. Helen Keller overcame severe physical, it's written handicaps, but it's hardships. Overcame is transitive, and the object is hardships. She inspired many others with disabilities. Inspired, transitive, and the object is others. Now, exercise 2. The man gave the lady a sketch last night. Direct object sketch. Indirect object lady. The guard has bravely lifted the child out of the water. Child, direct object. William Shakespeare wrote Julius Caesar sometime around 1599. Julius Caesar, direct object. I will show George the photo album. Album, direct object. Indirect object, George. The supervisor gave Francis a present at recess. Present, direct object. Francis, indirect object. Christopher always keeps his money in the wallet. Money, direct object. Now the next page. My uncle will send me flowers on my birthday. Flowers, direct object. Me, indirect object. He has carried Dina's backpack to the bus. Backpack, direct object. Maryam hurt her knee in football practice. Direct object, knee. Antonio wrote a poem on the board. Poem, direct object. An Englishman has sent me a message. Message, direct object. Me, indirect object. Tina is wrapping the gift right now. Gift, direct object. Leah gave me a copy of the periodic table in the evening. Copy, direct object. Me, indirect object. Dan had bought the kids a ball and a basket for their birthday. A ball and basket, direct object. Kids, indirect object. The official will give the team leader the medal. Medal, direct object. Leader, indirect object. The college has awarded my niece a full scholarship. Scholarship, direct object. My niece, indirect object. Neil Armstrong made his first space flight in 1966. Space flight, direct object. Albert Einstein expressed his theory of relativity at age 26. Theory, direct object. The emissions from cars create acid rain and smog. Acid rain and smog, direct object. My soccer team was defeated this season. There is no direct object or indirect object. Now we're going to start the second part of the lesson, linking and helping verbs. A linking verb connects the subject to a subject complement, a noun or adjective. It does not express action but describes or identifies the subject. Common linking verbs be like is, are, was, were, been, being, feel, look, sound, appear, taste, remain. Now the subject complements. A linking verb is followed by predicate adjective that describes the subject, predicate noun that renames the subject. Examples for linking verbs. My aunt is sick, predicate adjective. The soup tastes delicious, predicate adjective. That man is a designer, predicate noun. Definition of helping verbs. A helping verb works with the main verb to form a verb phrase. It helps express tense, mood, voice, or ability. Common helping verbs be am, is, are, was, were, been, being, do, does, did, have, has, had, models, will, would, shall, should, can, could, must, might. Verb phrase structure. Helping verb plus main verb equals verb phrase. For example, we should look at the bright side. Should look, verb phrase. The wind was screeching outside as rain pounded against the window. Was screeching, verb phrase. She has finished her homework. Has finished is a verb phrase. Now we're going to solve exercise 3, page 38. Underline the verbs in each sentence below, then write it under the correct column. A strange event took place to me last year and left me terrified. Where's the verbs in this sentence? Took place. Took place is an action verb. Left is an action verb. Now the second sentence. While I was reading my newspaper in the living room, a ghost walked through the wall. Was, reading, was is a linking verb, and reading is an action verb. Then a ghost walked is an action verb. I couldn't say a single word because I was sitting helpless and paralyzed. Say, action verb. Was sitting. Was is a helping verb and sitting is an action. It was an unforgettable moment of extreme fear and panic. Was, linking verb.